Collaborating with team members on proposals can be a game changer, but it's essential to use the right tools and strategies to make it smooth and efficient. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, we'll dive into how to collaborate effectively on proposals, breaking down the process into easy steps. First, make sure you're all working in the same document. Using software where multiple people can edit a proposal at the same time is key. This allows real-time collaboration and everyone can see the changes instantly. The software we'll be using today makes this process seamless. Next, establish clear roles for each team member. Assign specific sections of the proposal to individuals, ensuring that everyone knows exactly what they're responsible for. This helps avoid confusion and ensures that everyone contributes efficiently. Don't forget to communicate throughout the process. Whether through built-in comment sections or integrations with communication tools, staying in touch while editing will keep things moving forward. It's crucial to have a system where team members can ask questions, leave feedback, and clarify anything as they work. When collaborating, version control is another crucial element. Using software that tracks changes allows you to see who made what updates and when, and you can always revert to previous versions if needed. This helps maintain control over the document and ensures that no work gets lost. Next, use a shared calendar or task list to track deadlines and milestones. This is especially important when you're working with multiple team members, as it helps everyone stay aligned and ensures you're all working toward the same goals. As you near the final stages, gather everyone for a review. This is where having a centralized location to leave comments or suggestions comes in handy. Make sure everyone has a chance to give input before submitting the proposal. Finally, after submitting, don't forget to keep the communication lines open for any follow-up edits or adjustments. Having that open loop for collaboration can make a huge difference if you need to make changes after the initial proposal submission. The software we're using today makes all these steps easy and efficient. And if you're interested in following along, I've left an exclusive free trial for this software in the description below, just for viewers of my channel. Don't miss out on the chance to streamline your proposal process. Key takeaway: collaborating on proposals is about clear communication, role assignments, and using the right tools for seamless collaboration. Don't forget to stay organized and track your progress throughout the process. To recap, remember 1. Use a platform where everyone can collaborate in real time. 2. Assign clear roles for each person involved. 3. Keep communication open throughout. 4. Use version control to stay organized. 5. Set deadlines and track milestones. 6. Conduct a final review before submission. And again, take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software we've used in this tutorial, link in the description below. Thanks for watching.